There's no way I can get to the data sheet over this. Let's see. This is a straight cool unit. I don't see no reversing valve on this. Yeah, it's got a couple scroll, I think. I don't know if it actually has a couple scroll. Check from this side right here. Yeah, it does have a couple scroll. There's the fan motor. No, I do believe if they even take out the fan motor and fix something inside, that's gonna be a really hard job, because you're gonna have to put your hand in there. You can't put your head inside. So there's the filter dryer. Yep, and there's the Broad Ocean fan motor. So yeah.